Google Earth 5.0. Many of the schools that we teach at do not have this installed, and with their restrictions and security, you can't install it, so you're going to get a very quick video. We have the program open. The first thing that you can look at, believe it or not, you can actually see the skies. If I click on the word view, and then if I click on switch to sky, it shows sky. And we can use the mouse to move around. Just click with the mouse. It's showing Ursa Major. If I click in there on that or in here, going closer and closer, showing more information, goes in closer on there. A lot of fun if you're into astronomy on there. However, if I want to go back to look at the Earth, I would click on View, then I would click on Switch to Earth. It's going to bring us down to the Earth. Okay, we're back at the Earth. We have this little thing here. It dims out when you're not on, but you put the mouse in here. We can actually go in closer to the Earth. Scroll again, as I discussed, or we did in the planets here. And if I just click on here, Manhattan Island, showing us all the bridges on there. Double click on that push pin that we see on the map. It's zooming us in. Make sure you have a high-speed internet connection at home if you're doing this. Otherwise, it will not work too good. Just going in further, showing Manhattan. I see these little blue things. If I click on this little thing, it gives me a picture of Rocky's Restaurant. You could upload your own photo if you want to. If you have the coordinates, it will find it, and some of the new digital cameras do that. Again, a street in stars in New York. So we could go in, we could scroll in a little bit more. Brings us in. Nice rooftops. See the streets here? Literally driving down New York. Union Square. Another little picture. Parkland. You see this was taken last summer. I can go in further. Further. It's a little blurry sometimes. We have this there. Moves us around. You can see how we're rotating. The north is going this way. I go over here. It's panning down. Zooming us into New York. And now we're going down the highways. See the cars there. I'm going to scroll out. Going up, elevating like a bird or a plane. On there. Now I take my mouse. Going into Connecticut. If I want to find an address, I can literally type it in. Or I could just click on something that I've already typed just to save a couple of minutes. Going into Connecticut now. You could see it moving all by itself. What you are looking for, you get that little prompt showing right there. And it's zooming us into 100 Imperial Avenue. Scrolling down, getting to see a nice swimming pool. So if it's a warm day, you could jump in their pool. And we could go in here, scroll out with the roller. Shows us more of Westport. Just moving the mouse. Looks like the Connecticut Thruway. Bridge on there. Go in. I could go into this thing again. See how it's bringing me down. Soaring into here. This is going to the left. Panning to the right. Be a lot of fun. You have business applications. This is a free download from Google. They do have some enhanced versions if you're a land surveyor where you could pay a few $100s. But I'm trying to show you what you can get for free. The other thing that you do have, if you put your mouse over here, you get these tooltips. If I click on Google Maps, it'll bring it up on a web page, the map showing what you're looking at here. You got these tooltips over here showing between Earth, sky, other planets. Okay, we can go here, it's historical imagery. You've got other things that you can look at here, like if I want to go and take a look at the Eiffel Tower or the Trocadero, I could go in here, enable the keyhole. You've got these layers which show other things in here. If I say traffic, it'll show the traffic. If I say the ocean, and we're on the water on there, places of interest, there are places of interest there. They'll start showing up. Bridge Garage Inc. I uncheck that, it's gone. But it will show you some things that you might want to go into. Saugatuck, Bridge Market, Bridge Square. If I click on it, bringing me up above, on there. All I'm saying is it's an intuitive thing here. Follow it. You could spend hours doing this. Happy Google Earthing.